I never thought I'd be standing here talking about a door that's both an exit and an entrance to history. But folks, that's exactly what we're dealing with today. You know, Gberefu Island in Badagry, Lagos State, Nigeria. It's not your typical tourist hotspot. Unless you're into soul-crushing historical sites that make you question humanity. This place was basically the VIP lounge for the worst cruise ever, the transatlantic slave trade. Now, I'm not trying to bum you out, but imagine being forced to walk through a gate knowing you'd never see your home again. That's what happened to millions of Africans right here. It's like the world's worst one-way ticket. You know what I mean? And the craziest part? They built a monument in 2017 called the Door of No Return. I gotta say, when I first heard about it, I thought, talk about mixed messages. It's like putting a welcome home mat at the entrance of a haunted house. But as I learned more, I realized it's so much more than that. You know what? This Door of No Return isn't just some fancy architecture. It's part of this whole Pan-African initiative to, bring Africa and its diaspora together. I'm just saying, it's like a family reunion, but with way more complicated backstories. They're talking about economic development, cultural exchange, and probably some awkward conversations about who owes who an apology. But hey, that's progress, right? I've got to admit, standing there looking at this monument, I felt a mix of sadness for the past and hope for the future. It's a powerful reminder of how far we've come and how far we still need to go.